guys, namaste, assalamu alaikum and welcome back to Amrit Entertainment. Yes, today I'm back with another brand new video for you guys again, you know. So as I will be showing you one of the cheapest. Yes, I'm always shoot a video which is really fruitful to other viewers, you know, so they can go, they can have some items what they want, and last I upload a cheapest vegetable market in Ras Al Khaimah, so most of the people they used to go there to get fresh market. Same like that one. Today I'll be shooting one of the cheapest store. Yes guys, one of the cheapest store where you will find everything from kitchen appliances, food, meat, everything, soft drinks, cold drinks, अनि के हुन्छ सबै you will find in under one roof. Yes, that is known as Viva. VIVA. Viva चाहिँ is known as one of the cheapest store, हैन. Cheapest plus fresh stores, right? So you will find everything in Viva, हैन. So when I was in Dubai, we used to shop in Viva for our grocery item, हैन. प्याज, आलु, तरकारी, अनि detergent, अनि hand wash, सबै गेडागुडी सबै we used to buy on Viva when I was in Dubai. But when I transferred to Ras Al Khaimah, there was not such a Viva here. But recently they had opened one big Viva store near to my place. So today I'll be showing you that stores, and those who are watching me from Ras Al Khaimah and especially Nakheel area, who are staying near Manar Mall, Al Naeem Mall, so for those people it is the best video, so I will show you what you can get in that grocery. Be with me, and I will be showing you everything from where to where. And thank you so much for immense love till now, guys. I'm close to 1.4k, so please, if you are watching me for the first time, consider subscribe and hit the bell icon, comment, like, share and subscribe. So now let's go to Viva store, one of the cheapest grocery store. Let's go. So I'm heading to Viva store, so as you guys know, COVID is all over the world, so please don't forget to wear your masks and sanitize yourself while going outside, okay? Stay safe, guys. It's 6:30 PM here, बेलुका भइसक्यो, but still यति उज्यालो छ के, like it's still like always still in afternoon के. गर्मी त्यस्तै छ, as you guys know, मेको महिना छ. मेको महिनामा मे, जुन, जुलाई, अगस्त यहाँ त भन्नै पर्दैन, so it's like summer is like in peak. So I'm बाटोमा आइसकेको छौँ. It takes around 10 minutes to reach there, okay? As I go, guys told you, it's near to Naeem Mall and Manar Mall. That's Naeem Mall, where I used to walk. Yes, my store is there. So you need to take left from that mall. But I will take the shortcut, यहाँबाट straight गयो भने चाहिँ will अलिक छोटो पर्छ timing, so I will be taking you shortcut to reach the grocery. बयरको बोर्ड छ, बयर छैन. अनि यहाँ मस्जिद छ. That one is the Salat building, Salat building. That one is Naeem Mall, So there we have Center Point, and the one we are going right now is behind the Center Points. So near Center Point you will see the Great Mosque, यस्तो राम्रो मस्क छ, त. अब चाहिँ it takes 2 minutes to reach there. As I told you, it's near Manar Mall also. You can see that's Manar Mall. If you didn't watch my Manar Mall vlog, please go and watch my Manar Mall vlog also. One of the best destination for all the shoppers who wants branded items. You can go and can shop in Manar Mall. So we are close to Viva now. And for those viewers who loves to watch or who wants to learn something about makeup tutorials, plus who loves mukbang videos, you can go and you can watch R Kanchi video, R Kanchi channel. She is my friend, and like she used to upload like mukbangs, plus she used to tease, she used to do makeup tutorials in our video. So go and watch R Kanchi channels. I will share the descriptions link in the below. After walking more than 5 to 10 minutes, guys, we are here in Viva. You can see Viva is my biggest, cheapest store. Fresh, cheaper and better. So we are in Viva store, guys. You can see Viva. So let's get inside to see the cheapest item. So this is the entrance. So I have done my temperature checkup. Plus now I will take one trolley. You can see the items. So I'm gonna take one bread. You know, bread खाएर पेट घटाउँ भनेको कहिले गर्दैन यार. So you'll get there. It's already cheaper and they are putting more discount again, you know. Cheaper, much cheaper. And you can see here, chini, 2 ko 4 dirham. This is the best one, man. Look, everything is very cheap rate. Everything. You can see here, it was 11.95, now discounted to 8.95. It's already cheaper and you will get more cheaper here. That's the best part of Viva. Oh my god, you can see here coffees. Oh my god, here you can see milk. And here, orange, apple. Fruits are just as much. 795, 795, 795, 15. Fruits पण सबै पाउँछ के mango, apple, pomegranate, ambaru, avocado, स्याउ, अबे सबै. As I told you, you'll get here. Look, even home appliances in very good price. 30. You can see onion only 1.25, garlic 5.75, aloo 1.95. Oh my god, all the most department, very good price. Plus we have here everything. Here you will find dairy products in very good price, 5.95, 5.95, you know. And you'll get cheaper. The best thing like, you know, कति ताजा छ यो धनिया, यस्तो फ्रेस छ के धनिया भक्कर टिपेर ल्याएको जस्तो हैन. यो लिएँ मैले. And we have a capsicum, tomato. Very good price. Best thing I love Viva is like you will get egg in a very good price. Same egg if we go in other store you will find in 14 dirham, 15 dirham, but here you will find only in 8.95. So let's take one egg, you know, egg gonna lay them. And let's put in the cart. Here you will find fresh market, fresh meat also, you know, kukrako, beef, mutton, everything. See here. Cost of the 47.95 matrai. Plus cucumber, mashallah. Plus cucumber ko. Isto mas यहाँ पुरा भाँडाकुँडाहरू, टिफिनहरू सबैकै सबै. यहाँ प्रेसर कुकर पनि छ, इलेक्ट्रिक केटल पनि छ. Another is chocolates. हेर्नु त यहाँ 3 dirham chocolate. यहाँ बिस्कुट अब 6 dirham मा. Oh my god, now we are in chips area. यहाँ चिप्सहरू, Pringles, त्यहाँ 4 dirham मा Pringles छ. हेर्नु त, हेर्नु Pringlesहरू. Here you will find chips. 6 dirham मा यति मजाको चिप्सहरू पाइरहेछ. Oh my god, here we have more. हेर्नु त को बक्स कत्रो छ. So roasted cash कहाँ गयो, यसको प्राइस कति छ देखाउँछु तपाईलाई है. यो फुल डब्बाको प्राइस जम्मा 18 dirham. 18 dirham. You guys will get food this one. Nuts here just arrived. हेर्नु त काजु पनि छ. यता तपाईले पाउनुहुन्छ तामाहरू. दुईटाको 6 dirham, 3.45, 3.45. Isn't it cheap, guys? यहाँ कोका-कोला, किन्सली कोका-कोला यो 2.50 को जम्मा 4 dirham. जम्मा 4 dirham. My god. सबै चाहिँ फ्रिजर फुड है. चाहिँ यसरी मकैदेखि सबै लिएर. हेर्नु चिकन जस्ट अराइभ Now say gram only 7.65 dirham. Shit. This is really cheaper. I want to take everything, but you know, 7 gram ko jama 5.5 dirham. Oh my god. I want to take every dirham from here, but what to do? I have only very small refrigerator, so you cannot put more things on that one. First, here jancha, you know. Pani pani stall nahi छ यहाँ. Sausage. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Ice cream देखि लिया सबै. Now we are in the 19 dirham now. So guys, if you are watching me from Nakheel area, especially near Manar Mall or Al Naeem Mall, guys, you should visit this area for your cheapest item. You know, tissue dekhi liera, you will get everything like silver foil dekhi liera, यसरी यसलाई के भन्छ रे लुगामा हाल्ने कुरा, इनर, हुन्छ. Wait, don't scroll. More to come. Poopy, baby diapers. यहाँ पनि छ. Here milk only in 12 dirham. 4 bottles milk 12 dirham. I told you hand wash only 8 dirham. हुन्छ 8 dirham मा दुईटा hand wash. हुन्छ. त्यो पनि छ. जुस. अच्छा 5 dirham में juice. 5 dirham में. Shampoo also here. Come on, 15 dirham में दूसरा shampoo. Guys, you should come here. Everything you will find very good price. Collar पनि पाउँछ तपाईले यताबाट. Plus brush, sabun, pad, everything you will find here. Plus plastic cups, plastic plates. So everything in one roof. Everything. Garbage bag, even garbage bag, guys. यहाँ यस्तोहरु things are के यहाँ सबै माथि cockroach killerहरु के भन्छ यसलाई पावर क्लिनरहरु छ नि यहाँ सबै. So this is the one I really want to show you guys, you know, for your benefit. Hope you guys will visit here and take advantage of the cheapest item. So I think I almost showed you everything. Now it's time to go home, you know, घर जाम अनि so okay. I'm not fan of sweets, हैन. हेर्नु नि यहाँ chocolate, white chocolate सम्म 3 dirham. chocolate peanuts सबै 3 dirham मा. अनि यस्तोहरु पनि. So guys, I did my shopping. As you guys can see, I bought 3 full bag plastic, you know, and you know how much I paid? Only 23 dirham. यति धेरै आइटमलाई I paid only 23 dirham. So guys, you should visit Viva once, you know, so to get a cheaper experience here, you know. So everyone loves cheap thing, you know. अब राम्रो कुरा सस्तो भन्दा everyone will love that one. So आउनु होला. छेउमै छ. Is near to Sekha building, is near to Manar Mall, is near to Al Naeem Mall. So मैले जसरी नै opportunity grab गर्नु होला अनि सामान सस्तोमा दिनु होला भन्दै I will see you in next video, next vlog. Till then, keep loving, stay safe, wear masks, use sanitizer, and love you all. Bye bye.